everyone, my name is Fitri Takbirani, but just call me Fitri. I made this video for a business law and regulation course assignment. I want to explain about law, business law, and Indonesian legal system. First, the meaning of law according to experts. 1. According to Utrecht, law is a set of rules that regulate the order of society and therefore must be obeyed by that society. 2. According to Meyers, law is all rules that contain consideration of decency or aimed at human behaviors in society, which becomes a guide for state authorities in carrying out their duties. From some of the law meanings above, it can conclude that the law has the following elements. 1. Rules about behavior of society. 2. Made by authorities. 3. Contains commands and prohibitions. 4. Coercive. 5. Strict sanctions for violations. And then, I will explain about the meaning of business law. Business law is the entirety of law regulations, both written and unwritten, that govern the rights and obligations arising from agreements and adjustments that occur in business practices. Law subject. Law subject is something that, according to law, can have rights and obligations that have the authority to act. Which is the subject of law is human or person who is spiritually healthy and not under the care. 2. Law entity. Law object. Law object is anything that can be useful for the law subject and become the core of a law relationship carried out by law subject. Usually objects or rights which can be owned and controlled by law subject. The next, I will explain about the law system in Indonesia. In Indonesia, there are two law systems that are used. 1. Civil law system and 2. Common law system. Civil law system has the characteristic are 1. There is codifications. 2. Constitution as the main source of law. 3. The judicial system is inquisitorial. 4. Law acquires binding force. Common law system has the characteristic that priorities customary law, namely law that runs dynamically following the dynamics of society. There are two law systematics in Indonesia. 1. Public law. Public law includes law regulations that regulate the power and authority of state authorities, as well as regulate the law regulations between the society and the country, which includes public law is constitutional law, tax law, criminal law, and state administrative law. 2. Private law. Private law including law regulations that regulate the relationship between individuals in meeting their needs, which include private laws is civil law and commercial law. Elements of the law system in Indonesia. 1. Legal material include law planning, law establishment, law research, and law development. 2. Law enforcement. 3. Law facilities. 4. Law culture adopted by the society. And 5. Law education. Okay, I think it's enough. If there are mistakes, I apologize. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.